everyone, my name is Inez and I am Inez Calligraphy on Instagram. Today we're doing some holiday calligraphy cards. So we have two versions. One is the easy one, which is these two. So you'll be using marker pens and also ballpoint pens, which you can find from the stationery store. Or you can also do another version, which is the harder one. In this one we'll be using calligraphy pen. This is a dip pen with a nib and also some ink. Let's start. First we'll start with a sketch. So grab your piece of paper and just a regular pencil, and then we'll start drawing lines. So we're going to draw two lines and then we'll sketch in the words that you want to write. So the first word you want to write is Happy Holidays. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is you are going to ink it in. So we'll start with two colored pens. Okay, so now we're going to ink in the artwork. So first we'll do a mono line and then later we'll fill it up with a second line to give it a bit of a thickness. Okay, so now that we already lined the artwork, we're going to do the second line. So this will give you the thickness that you see on most calligraphy artwork. So you have a thick line and you also have a thin line. Okay, so after that what you can do is you can fill it in again. So color it in with your pen. So this method is great if you don't have any calligraphy tools. You can easily find a pen or a marker in your house laying around. Just as long as you find something that is thin and has two contrasting colors, then you can make a nice colorful artwork. So after you're done filling it in, you can use another color to add in some elements. So you can add things like a little star, and then you can also add tiny sparkles. So after you're done with that, you can erase the pencil lines and we're done. So for the second version, which is the easy one with the marker, you can also do the same thing, which is just lining your artwork first. So again, you draw two lines and then you can sketch out the words that you want to write. So for this one, we're going to write merry and bright. So it's important for you to draw out pencil lines first so that you can sort of see how you want to lay out your artwork. If it's not good enough, then you can always just erase it and try again. So now we just need to fill it in with marker. So you can use any markers. You can find magic markers, you can use Crayola markers, you can use Sharpie, but it depends on the paper that you're using as well. So the paper has to be a thick cardstock. If it's too thin, it might bleed and feather. So once you fill up your words, you can go ahead and fill up some decorations. So again, you can start with some stars. And you can also do some leaves. Also use another color. So next, you want to erase the pencil marks from your artwork, and we're done. Okay, so the next one we're going to do a bit more advanced version. So this is a Flourish decoration snowflake. So this one we'll be using a dip pen. You can use a dip pen with the nib and some inks. We have some nice metallic inks here. And first thing you want to do is draw out some lines. So you have a few lines. So you should draw the lines from both edges, and then you draw a middle line and another line in the middle. So this gives you like a geometric shape, and then you can sketch out your design. So we'll start with 4 points. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll start with a nice curve, and then repeat that on the other side, and another one, and another one. So basically this is what you'll be doing throughout the whole artwork, just repeating your designs for like 4 times. So you can draw a leaf and then repeat that on the other side, and the other one, and the last one. And you can go on to add your designs and repeat them all over. And then once you're done penciling in the design, you can use your eraser to erase some parts so that the pencil lines won't show up when you ink it in. And then now we can move on to inking it. So use a brush and just put some colors onto the nib with a bit of water so you can start filling up the lines. You can add another color to your design. I'm using metallic green to draw the leaves. So it's basically the same design, you just need to repeat it 4 times. And next we can add in a bit of purple. So a bit more leaves. The idea is to add more elements to your design so that it looks full and finished. Okay, so now you want to erase the pencil marks. Just have to make sure that your ink is completely dry before you erase. So give it about 5 minutes before you start erasing everything off. So once you're done with erasing your pencil marks, the next part is we're going to add some bling to your artwork. So grab EVA glue and then just dot around your artwork. Okay, so just let it dry for a bit and then we're done. So now we're done with the 3 styles that you can go with. The first 2 ones is the easy one. So you have your marker pen and also the ballpoint pen. And then also a difficult intermediate one using your calligraphy pen. Try them at home. I think it will be a nice gift for your friends or family. If you like to learn more or look at more calligraphy artwork, I'm on Instagram at Inez Calligraphy. So stay safe and happy holidays!